Hi guys, so today I'm talking about how to fake calligraphy. So for starters, I'm just going to write some letters in cursive, and I'm going to leave the first one alone, and on the second one I'm going to thicken up the downstrokes. I'll show a couple of different letters so that you get the idea of how to do it. And then I'm just going to color in the line that I added. So just that simple trick takes you from this to this, and this to this. I'll show you a letter that dips down below the line too. One of the things that keeps things looking really neat is to pick up your pen a lot more between strokes than you think, so that it looks like cursive, but you pick up your pen more than you would if you were just writing in cursive. So all of that was done with just a pen. And you can use a pencil too, or anything you have, really. One really inexpensive way to achieve the look without as much work is Crayola markers. I like the Crayola Super Tips, but the regular ones work too. The tip on them is fine, but it gets wider at the base. So by adjusting the pressure and the angle of the marker, you can achieve the same kind of look. These are really cost efficient. I got a pack of 50 colors for like $10, and I'm pretty sure they have like a 100 pack for around $15, so they're a good option for beginners without having to invest a lot in supplies. I suggested in some of these exercises to practice your pressure. I do a couple of different kinds, just basically up and down strokes to get used to applying less pressure on the upstrokes and more on the downstrokes. So there's you a quick tutorial on using the Crayolas. Great value and totally worth the money. Then if you want to invest in a brush pen, I highly recommend the Tombow brand. This is the hard tip Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. It has a short tip and is slightly firm, which gives you a lot of control over the pressure, which is really good for beginners. And you can get this pen in a 2-pack along with a soft tip pen as well. And as you get more proficient with the hard tip, you can try the soft tip. And you can get them like on Amazon and like Hobby Lobby and Michael's, those types of places. The main purpose of this video is to show you that you can really spend as little or as much as you'd like to get the look of calligraphy. And while pricier supplies are nice, they're totally not necessary. And if you can write in cursive, you can do this. It really isn't that hard. It all goes back to practice. So I hope this inspires you to give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my content so that you don't miss a video. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.